Now you can search using images on the Repassa website. You know that image you saved with your favorite look? Go to the search bar on the left side of the screen. Find the camera icon. You have two options: take a photo or search your gallery. The option Take a Photo only appears if you are on mobile. Think this is cool? There's more. Click on one of the reference images and press the points on the screen. You can find everything, even the accessories. Now let's take a picture. Click on the Take a Photo button. The tool needs access to your phone camera. Now all you have to do is take a photo of what you want to find. Click Use Photo and choose from the results. Or you can click Search Your Gallery. Select your photo. Now browse the items in the image. If your phone has more than one item, you can explore each of them by clicking on the points. One more tip. In case you don't want to use a saved photo, but want to find a similar product on the website, the Search for Similar Items feature also works on any product on the site. Enjoy and explore the filters. Now try it yourself on the Repassa website and discover some great pieces.